Hi everyone, my name is Suhaina Zaki from Pasir Gudang Komuniti Kolej, Malaysia. I would like to present research paper Role of Abilympics among Malaysian Polytechnics and College Community Disabled Students. So what is the Abilympics? The Abilympics derived from the word Olympics of Abilities. It's a technical and vocational skills competition for people with disabilities which are held once every 4 years. However, the gap has previously varied between 3 to 6 years afterwards. The competition was organized to change people's view of the potential and abilities of the disabled. Through the organization of this competition, the community became confident in the abilities of the disabled and thus improved job opportunities among technical and vocational education, that is TVET students. According to a study by Harvey 2001, the majority of people with disabilities in the US are not working. However, TVET has a positive impact on this group with improved work skills and the ability to market people with disability. That is an important goal for TVET-based education. Employers need potential employees to have both technical skills and soft skills, where technical skills are the skills needed to perform certain tasks. Soft skills are the skills needed to keep working and thriving in the chosen career. Thus, potential employees need both types of skills to compete, secure and retain employment. The research was conducted with the purpose of achieving the following objectives. First one is to highlight the roles of stakeholders that involve in the students' preparatory training for Russia 2021 International Abilympics competition. And the second objective is to review the strategic planning in the students' preparatory training for Russia 2021 International Abilympics competition. This research have been conducted through qualitative method, and the strategic planning, which includes the roles of stakeholders, types of training provided, training schedules and budget, financial implication, has been used as a secondary data. 5 disabled students, there is 3 of them were from Polytechnic Premier Ibrahim Sultan, PIS, Polytechnic Tuanku Syed Sirajuddin, PTSS, while another 2 were from Selayang and Sungai Petani Community College, have been selected as a sample in this study. The period of data analysis is throughout in year 2019 and has been analyzed using self-administered observation. So here is the findings. As we can see, there are variables, roles of stakeholders that involve in the students' preparatory training for Russia 2021 International Abilympics competition. For example, Department of Polytechnic and Community College Education, Ministry of Higher Education Malaysia, have to play their roles, such as provide financial allocation for sufficient training and facilities, and then monitor the training process throughout the training period and promote the image of disabled students to the public. Additional roles that Selayang Community College need to do compared with PTSS, PIS and Sungai Petani Community College, they act as secretariat on behalf of Malaysian Council for Rehabilitation, MCR, for training session, and then facilitate, connect, collaborate and execute partnerships among all the stakeholders involved. Besides that, all the TVET higher education need to appoint coaches from each field, perform training to the students according to the schedule, and then apply for financial allocation for training session. There are 2 agencies who play their important role in the students' preparatory training for Russia 2021 International Abilympics competition, such as Malaysia Federation of Deaf, that is MFD, and Malaysian Council for Rehabilitation, MCR. The main role of MFD is focusing towards provide psychological support needs of the deaf, while MCR is coordinate and oversee the psychological support based on participants' requirements. The involvement from hotel, catering and tourism industries are to contribute expertise and knowledge in the field. Plus, they are able to monitor and supervise student training at the intensive training level. There is findings for a second objective. This research need to review the strategic planning in the students' preparatory training for Russia 2021 International Abilympics competition. Therefore, the findings will be based on 5 summarized budgeted financial implication table. It says that the types of training provided will derive from 5 skills category, such as bakery, that is cake decoration, restaurant services, cooking, photography and painting. Training schedules that have been prepared were depending on the different skills. Skills category like bakery, restaurant services and cooking need frequent training session compared to the other 2 skills such as photography and painting. In addition, training will be conducted by the coach and the signal interpreter with reference from previous Olympic competition questions. At this point, coaches or external trainers can directly deliver value-added skills to the students and not just be bound by syllabus. In terms of budget financial implication, the 3 skills category, that is bakery, restaurant services and cooking, contributes to a higher estimated total cost than photography and painting. From the summarized table 2, cake decoration, to table 4, cooking, we can review that the incentive payments for coaches or external trainers and cost of purchasing raw materials contribute more higher than a cost of equipments, student allowance, etc. However, there is contrast for the financial implication of photography and painting. Table 5 and Table 6 indicate that no provision has been made to the coaches or external trainer. However, the cost that contributes high in photography skill is the cost of equipment, while the cost of purchasing raw material is the highest cost in painting. The conclusion: Abilympics is a platform for Malaysian Polytechnic and Kolej community disabled students to promote their talent and creativity in technical and vocational skills. It is also a collaborative effort between the government and NGOs to promote the disabled students until they get more employment opportunities in the industry. Strategic planning is an essential part to ensure the process of students' preparatory training can be handled smoothly. Training that being conducted by the actual expertise, frequency of training and appropriate financial allocation according to the skills are key elements in the strategic planning. Therefore, if all the stakeholders play their role according to the strategic planning of students' preparatory training consistently, it may contribute to the success of the students in Russia 2021 International Abilympics competitions. That's all my presentation. Thank you.